Okay, winter brides, this is the one. Our $250 Luxe centerpiece is incredibly easy to put together, and it creates this jaw-dropping moment that will leave your guests speechless. Get ready for sparkle and some serious volume. First, we bring in the height with this absolutely magnificent 47-inch Waterfall crystal beaded table centerpiece stand. It's tall, it's glam, and the crystals are already draped and ready to go. It totally eliminates the need for expensive rigging or any custom decor. Now for the best part, the flowers are already pre-arranged. We just take our lush pre-arranged red rose centerpiece ball and place it right on top of the centerpiece. The quality of these premium roses is unmatched. This whole showstopper comes together in minutes, giving you maximum drama without the DIY headache. It's the perfect splurge for your big day. You deserve this gorgeous high-end look, so find the links to these show-stopping pieces in the description below. If you love this Luxe DIY centerpiece, share this video with your wedding party and subscribe to eFavormart.